Here we've got Apple iPhone SE from 2022, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this phone. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select Touch ID and passcode. Provide your current passcode if you have one, and now click on Add a Fingerprint. And here you just need to place your fingerprint on the sensor. That's your home button, so just this way, and keep tapping until your fingerprint is fully added. Lift your finger up and then place it again on the sensor. Tap and continue, and just a few more touches. And that's it. So as you can see, from now on you will be able to unlock your device either with this fingerprint, so smoothly by tapping, or you can use this previously set passcode. And it will also work. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.